friends, good evening. Welcome to my YouTube channel Inhale Academy. Friends, today we will discuss some MCQs for RRB, SEL, OSSC, NORCET, JIPMER and all types of nursing competitive exams. Question number 1. Specific protection and health promotions are measures for option A. Primary prevention, option B. Secondary prevention, option C. Tertiary prevention, option D. Primordial prevention. Here, right answer is option A. Primary prevention. In primary prevention, health promotion and specific protection like immunization are considered in primary prevention. In secondary prevention, there is early diagnosis and treatment. And in tertiary prevention, there is disability limitation and rehabilitation. Question number 2. Safe disposal of mercury is option A. Bury under earth, option B. Collect carefully and reuse, option C. Combustion, and option D is treat with chemical. Here right answer is option B. Collect carefully and reuse. Question number 3. For the client who is using oral contraceptive, the nurse informs the client about the need to take the pill at the same time each day to accomplish which of the following? Option A. Decrease the incidence of nausea, option B. Maintain the hormonal level, option C. Reduce the side effect, option D. Prevent drug interaction. Here right answer is option B. Maintain hormonal level. Because to suppress the action of hypothalamus and anterior pituitary, which leads to inappropriate secretion of follicular stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormone. Question number 4. Total number of all individuals who have particular disease at a point of time, that is known as option A. Incidence, option B. Prevalence, option C. Morbidity rate, option D. Mortality rate. Here right answer is option B. Prevalence. Prevalence refers to the number of cases of a disease that are present in a particular population at a given time. What is incidence? Incidence refers to the number of new cases that develop in a given period of time. Question number 5. Which vaccine is contraindicated in pregnancy? Option A. Rubella, option B. Diphtheria, option C. Tetanus, option D. Hepatitis B. Here right answer is option A. Rubella. Rubella is a live attenuated vaccine. For example, rubella, measles, mumps, varicella should be withheld during pregnancy because these are live attenuated vaccine can cross the placenta and results in viral infection of the fetus. So these vaccines are withheld during pregnancy. Question number 6. Sentinel surveillance is done to option A. Know the total number of cases in community, option B. Know the hidden cases in community, option C. Know the natural history of disease, option D. Plan intervention. Here right answer is option B. Know the hidden cases in community. Question number 7. Measles vaccine is kept in refrigerator in option A. Chill tray, option B. Freezer, option C. Tray below, option D. All of the above. Here right answer is option B. Freezer. Measles and OPV vaccine stored in deep freezer. Question number 8. Bagosis is an occupational disease of the lung caused by inhalation of option A. Cotton, option B. Silica, option C. Coal, option D. Sugarcane. Here right answer is option D. Sugarcane. Bagosis is an occupational disease characterized by cough, difficulty breathing, chills, fever, prolonged weakness due to inhalation of sugarcane dust. Cotton dust inhalation cause byssinosis, which is called Monday fever. Coal dust inhalation cause anthracosis. Silica dust inhalation cause silicosis. Question number 9. Best method of screening for early detection of cancer breast in women aged above 40 years. Option A. Regular X-ray, option B. Self-examination, option C. Mammography, option D. Regular biopsy. Here right answer is option C. Mammography. Question number 10. In India, which one of the following is the first referral unit? Option A. Subcenter, option B. PSC, option C. CSC means Community Health Center, option D. Regional Hospital. Here right answer is option C. CSC, Community Health Center. Friends, this much for today's topic. Hope you will like this video. For more informative video, please do like, subscribe and share. Thank you.